Hi friends, welcome back to Botanical Woman. I'm Christine. Today I decided to go outside and film for a change because it's actually not raining and it's sunny. So trying to give you a quick update of what has been going on with the plant wall. On Friday night, we were able to get to Home Depot and pick up some of their supplies. The lattice that I ended up buying was too big, which I already knew, to fit in the car, so we needed to cut it. They weren't able to cut it for us, but we were able to borrow this tool that looked like little fingers. That worked out really well, so thank you, Home Depot. And the drive home was not the safest, but we made it in one piece. I wouldn't suggest doing that. I can't really see going backwards, so I'm just gonna go forward. So Saturday morning, we were able to staple the bags to the lattice I would say pretty successfully. I wasn't completely sure of how it would turn out, but the staple gun we ended up not getting. We ended up getting a staple hammer that roofers use, and that actually turned out great. Really easy to use, so I recommend it if you're looking to buy a staple gun for whatever reason. So we got 4 of the bags on, 2 more is coming in the mail, so we'll be able to get that done this week. They were not put on straight, even though I attempt my best. And the only other takeaway that I would have done differently was maybe staggered the bags so that the plants have more room to grow. Other than that, I think it went pretty well. And then we were able to find the studs and put on the 2 pieces of wood that we're going to be using as back support for the entire wall. And that went pretty quickly and smoothly. So that went much better than I thought, unless it comes flying down in 2 weeks. We don't know. So keep you posted. We also replaced the light switch and turned it into a smart outlet so that we can control the lights on top. So that was a great improvement because we weren't using that light at all. So kudos to Dan for figuring out the puzzle. Like, all the blacks with all the whites with all the greens? No. Okay, moving on. And then the actual floodlights, the installation to that was quite simple because we decided to just drill the holes straight in with the light and everything, and that worked out pretty well. We have two of the 3 up. One of them we had to use a toggle bolt, and that was a little bit finicky to get in. Usually, in my experience, toggle bolts are pretty easy to use, but because we drilled it right next to a beam, it was a little bit more challenging. But it's in, and it didn't come down this morning, so... This coming week, the irrigation fittings will all come in, so I'll be able to put that together. So we will share that with you guys next week. It's just wrapping up the irrigation, and once the irrigation is up, we can do some testing of the water flow, make sure there's no leaks, and then finally, 2 weeks from now, we'll be able to finally finish and put some plants up. Well, that is it for this week. See you guys next week, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. You want to be on the swing?